Hey guys, welcome to Sully's Models, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little bit of barbed wire. It's nice and simple, really easy to do. You can get quite a realistic, realistic sort of looking barbed wire. See that there? Focusing. Excellent. So it's really simple and easy to make. So all you need is some thin, fairly thin wire. Obviously, depending on your scale, you can get away with pretty much sort of any, obviously depends on your scale. So all you need to do is start off with a couple of pieces of wire, stick it in a vise and get a drill, and basically wind it up to a spirally type bit of wire. And then all you need to do is get a single piece of wire, and see, I'm probably going to start up here because I struggle to get this started off because the first one looks rubbish. Alright, so I'll start there. And then all you need to do is make a little loop. Come on, plate. Little loop like that. Twist your wire around really tight on there. Okay, and then another loop. Like so. Get nice and tight. This one off like so. So you've got something that kind of looks a little bit like that, and then with a pair of cutters, I'll ignore this first one because the first one always looks a bit rubbish. They're just like real barbed wire. It's bloody all over the place. Do spin around and move a bit, but that's cool because it gives you a little bit more irregularity. And there you have very simple bit of barbed wire. So to make it look a little bit older, you can use all sorts of things really, weathering powders, paint it yourself, whatever. Now what I've used, I've gone back to this. I used this in a previous video, the trap burnishing fluid. Now because I haven't got a lot left and don't really want to waste it, quite simply put a bit on to end of brush and then paint it on. And as you can see, this stuff pretty much works on this anyway, instantly. It's a bit quicker and a lot easier this is, I think, than trying to weather it by hand with powders and whatnots, because this stuff just does all the hard work for you. As you can see, the spiky bits tend to do their own thing a little bit, but that's cool. So it gives you a bit more sort of a natural, more genuine sort of barbed wire. Okay, nice and simple. Like that, so we can okay, and that's all you need to do. It's not difficult, very simple. So we'll leave that to dry, and we'll stick it to some fence panels. Okay, so now we've got our base here, and the tricky part is to stick the barbed wire to the fence. So what we're going to do is a bit of super glue. To here. And then we'll hold this for a second, hopefully it will stick. I don't know if it's because it's a wooden cocktail stick or what, it soaks it up, I don't know, but eventually it gets there. The one's done there. And there we go. This will probably drop off in about 5 minutes, but there we go, we get the idea. Nice and easy there. Obviously the posts there are quite simply cocktail sticks. Sorry, not cocktail sticks even. We can use cocktail sticks. These are matchsticks. So there you go. So I hope this guy helps you guys in making some nice simple bits of barbed wire for your dioramas. Any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't done so already, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And again, I hope this helps. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.